Do your knees snap, crackle, and pop like mine whenever you try to squat? If so, this is a sign of something called crepitus. Especially if you have pain with that, there are two simple movements that you can do to help improve your knee health. So first, you start off in the wall sit position with the band around the knees. You're going to be going in and outward, so start getting your knees comfortable in a squat position. And then the second movement will be the assisted squats, and this will help your knees get comfortable with the squatting position without as much weight on it. Now this can help, but if you want to conquer painful and cracking knees for life, comment the word knees for a free arthritis fix demo with me.